For the adventurous souls out there, camping is not just a pastime, it's a way of life. But to make the experience even more enjoyable and memorable, there are a host of innovative camping inventions you must try. From solar-powered tents to portable espresso makers, these gadgets and gear are designed to make your outdoor adventures safer, more comfortable, and more fun. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a newbie, these 12 innovative camping inventions are must-have additions to your gear collection. Space Acacia. Introducing Space Acacia, the ultimate modern indoor comfort for the great outdoors. It's a portable, 3-in-1 outdoor dwelling system that lets you feel at home wherever you go. Whether camping in the backcountry, having a beach day, or simply enjoying your backyard, Space Acacia provides a comfortable living space. The system has a spacious glamping tent, an innovative inflatable floor, and a temperature-adjusting canopy. Together, they create an indoor lifestyle experience outdoors. The inflatable tent floor is foldable, carpeted, and durable, designed to withstand rocks and rugged terrain. It's waterproof and keeps you dry in all seasons. Space Acacia is built to handle wild elements with its wind resistance, water protection, and fire compliance. It keeps you safe in extreme weather conditions. In the summer, the double-walled construction allows hot air to pass, keeping you cool. In winter, the temperature-keeping outer canopy helps you stay cozy and maintains warmth. Setting up the Space Acacia is easy and quick, taking less than 15 minutes with the included electric pump. It's also spacious, providing ample headroom and freedom of movement. The tent has thoughtful features like convenient storage, zippered windows with mesh screens for ventilation and insect protection, and an ultra-soft polyester carpet. With a price tag of $1,399, the Space Acacia offers various colors and sizes, including a larger version for 4 to 6 people. Ecto Arctica cooling technology is the perfect solution for staying cool and comfortable during outdoor adventures. This innovative technology uses 54 feet of micro-cooling lines to cool to 45 degrees Fahrenheit in less than a minute. With just 1 inch of cold water and ice in a cooler, you can enjoy up to 9 hours of cooling comfort. Arctica offers 2 forms of cooling, the Ecto Chair and Ecto Topper. The Ecto Chair is an all-in-one cooling experience featuring a sturdy steel alloy frame supporting up to 275 pounds. The Topper is a portable cooling pad that you can use with any chair in 2 sizes. The setup is simple and easy. Just place the trunk hose in your cooler, connect the battery and sunshade, and enjoy cooling comfort for hours. Arctica technology regulates body temperature, allowing you to lounge in style all summer. The cooling levels can be adjusted using the single-button control panel, with options ranging from 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 45 degrees Fahrenheit, and a super chill mode ready in 90 seconds. Arctica cooling technology is compatible with cooler brands and sizes, so you can keep using your cooler for food and drinks. The included 5,000 mAh battery powers the cooling system for more than 9 hours on its most powerful setting, and can also serve as backup power for your devices. Whether at the beach, camping, or just relaxing in the backyard, Arctica keeps you cool on all your adventures. It has received rave reviews from early testers and featured on Fox and Friends. The price for the Ecto Chair all-in-one bundle is $259, providing an instant solution for staying cool in your daily activities or outdoor adventures. KIA-KIT. Introducing KIA-KIT, the next-generation outdoor survival system to pack and prepare you for all your adventures. With over 30 essential survival gear items organized into the 5 pillars of outdoor survival, you can explore confidently, knowing you're ready for anything. The kit includes high-quality gear curated by outdoor adventure experts to ensure reliability in dire situations. The modular design allows easy customization, using the whole kit or individual cases for shorter trips. Each case has an external loop for clipping onto any pack and internal compartments for organized packing. KIA-KIT XL features a basic medical pack, advanced medical pack, fire starting pack, gear repair pack, multi-tool knife, signal mirror, compass, duct tape, LED head torch, fire lighter, tinder, rain fly tarp, paracord, tarp pegs, and a UF water filter straw with a 50-piece first aid kit. The compact and lightweight design fits easily into any outdoor backpack or hiking pack, providing easy access to all your essential survival gear in one case. It was created during the COVID-19 lockdown in New Zealand And after 3D modeling and careful consideration, the Kia Kit was born. For only $149, you can secure your Kia Kit and be well prepared for your outdoor adventures. Stay safe and ready with the next generation Kia Kit outdoor survival system. Skinner's 2.0. Introducing Skinner's 2.0 Comfort Sock Shoes, offering a regular fit with a wider toe box for natural foot movement and enhanced comfort. These lightweight and compact shoes are perfect for travel, hiking, and serving as backup shoes. What's new in Skinner's 2.0? A removable 2mm thin perforated insole adds extra comfort and improved moisture-wicking capability, keeping your feet cozy and dry. These sock shoes are machine washable and easy to maintain. The Skinner's Stretch Knit technology combines artificial and natural fibers, ensuring quick moisture wicking and a perfect fit. The ultra-resistant sole, only 3mm thin, lasts hundreds of kilometers. Skinner's adapt to your body, activating muscles and tendons, allowing your feet to move freely without limits. Ideal for sports, workouts, yoga, water sports, and backup shoes for traveling, camping, and cycling. While Skinner's are not intended to replace regular shoes entirely, they are an addition to your shoe rack and a training tool for your feet. The price for this innovative footwear is $60. Dragon V1 Solar Tent. Introducing the groundbreaking Dragon V1, the world's first two-piece solar base camp tent. Designed with an integrated solar panel and LEDs, this four-season tent harnesses sustainable energy from the sun, illuminating your night easily. The ultra-durable exoskeleton design ensures protection in harsh conditions, while the polyurethane, PU, and silicone treatments make the fabric waterproof and resistant to water seepage. The Dragon V1 results from feedback from our loyal backers, with 53% expressing interest in an innovative solar tent. This tent knows no limitations, whether a short trip or a long expedition, offering sustainable energy in the backcountry. Double-walled construction provides excellent protection from the elements and superior ventilation to prevent condensation buildup. The tent has an integrated control panel, allowing easy access to the LED lights, ventilation fan, and USB power connectors. Using modern monocrystalline silicon solar cells with PERC technology, the solar panel is packable, lightweight, and waterproof, providing efficient energy conversion. The lithium polymer battery pack further reduces weight and ensures reliability in harsh conditions. The Dragon V1 features LEDs in every area, providing nearly 200 lumens of light to the surroundings. The exterior has 3 modes for added functionality. With an easy setup and innovative pole design, this 7-pound tent is lighter than most mountaineering tents. The integration of LEDs, ventilation fans, and solar power enhances safety and convenience, making the Dragon V1 a superior choice for outdoor enthusiasts. The price for this groundbreaking tent is $599. Serotonin Stove. Introducing the Serotonin Ultra Compact Titanium Camping Stove, a revolutionary camping stove that combines multi-fuel compatibility, ultra-lightweight design, and titanium durability. We aim to create the best camping stove for outdoor enthusiasts seeking superior performance and convenience. The Serotonin Stove weighs only 285 grams in its titanium version and 540 grams in the stainless steel option, making it incredibly easy to carry and assemble. Its compact structure fits in the palm of an adult's hand, making it an ideal companion for all outdoor adventures, from hiking to solo camping. Designed with user-friendly features, the Serotonin Stove provides excellent combustion efficiency while reducing smoke and delivering more heat with less effort and risk. It features a secondary burn function, promoting higher combustion efficiency and minimizing smoke production. This stove highlights versatility, supporting various fuel types, including solid fuel tablets, wood pellets, biofuel, and gas. With easy assembly and disassembly, it can be converted into a gas stove effortlessly. The innovative design includes a retractable fire-blowing stick for increasing flame power, and a base that acts as a tray for catching ashes and improving stability. Additionally, the base can be used as a windscreen when using an alcohol burner. The price for this outstanding camping stove is $79.99. Hover Camera X1. Celebrate every moment of your journey with the Hover Air X1, a revolutionary flying camera that offers a spectacular shooting experience from unique aerial perspectives. Weighing only 125 g, this ultralight and foldable drone fits in your palm or bag, making it the perfect portable companion. Flight has never been easier. The X1 takes off and lands in your hand with just the press of a button. It offers 5 pre-programmed flight paths, including hover, follow, reveal, orbit, and overhead, allowing you to capture hands-free cinematic shots. The intelligent flight modes and precision positioning ensure centimeter-level accuracy for capturing the perfect frame. With triple image stabilization and a real-time preview feature in the Hover X1 app, you'll get smooth and steady shots every time. The app also offers quick editing options, adding filters and background music for instantly shareable content. The Hover Air X1 features advanced VIO technology and top laser altitude positioning, eliminating the need for GPS and ensuring reliable indoor and outdoor flying. It can record up to 7K at the rate 30 FPS, 1080p at the rate 60 FPS, and 1080p HDR videos, providing high-quality footage to impress. With the Hover X1 app, you get remote drone control and real-time image viewing for a more immersive shooting experience. The streamlined shooting and sharing process makes content creation effortless. The backup battery and charging hub extend flight time, ensuring longer flights and hassle-free filming. Choose between 2 color options, carbon black and white, and be ready to capture and preserve your precious moments with the Hover Air X1. The price for this incredible flying Camry is $379. Air Cruiser. Discover the Air Cruiser, a game-changing self-assembling rooftop tent that brings the final frontier of camping to your car. Crafted by Cinch and Wildland outdoor experts, this revolutionary tent redefines your outdoor experience with cutting-edge technology, unmatched comfort, and seamless mobility. With an incredible 57 inches of headspace and weighing a mere 80 pounds, the Air Cruiser offers record-breaking cabin space without compromising fuel economy or handling. Setting up camp is a breeze with its integrated air pump and button press setup, allowing adventurers of all levels to enjoy stress-free deployment. Embrace nature's beauty with 360-degree views from the rooftop, basking in natural light through dual skylights, or relaxing on a high-density thermal mattress under the starlit sky. The Air Cruiser offers blackout options for maximum privacy, transforming camping into a lap of luxury in the great outdoors. Tested rigorously for water resistance, wind stability, noise reduction, and more, the Air Cruiser remains unwavering, providing a secure sanctuary against Mother Nature's whims. Compatible with 99% of vehicles, the Air Cruiser is a perfect fit for any adventure. Your car transforms into a mobile penthouse in under 3 minutes. Ready to embrace the unknown. Priced at $2,299, it's the epitome of luxury and convenience for your outdoor journey. UCO Stake Light. Stake your claim with UCO's Stake Light's illuminated tent stakes that make setting up your tent in the dark a breeze. With 17 lumens of light in area mode, these stakes provide up to 10 hours of continuous illumination, ensuring you can easily identify and set up your tent. Need better visibility? Switch to strobe mode, and the flashing light will guide you for up to 24 hours. The integrated on-off switch glows in the dark, making locating even in low-light conditions easy. Crafted from durable 6000 series aluminum, these stakes are built to withstand the rigors of outdoor adventures. The LED is housed in a highly water-resistant TPE casing, IPX6, ensuring reliable performance even in wet conditions. The best part? The LED can be easily removed and used separately, adding even more versatility to your camping gear. To replace the battery, 1.5 volts AAA not included. Pry off the white lens cap, insert the battery as indicated by plus and pop the lens back into the black casing. Don't let darkness slow you down. Grab UCO's Stake Lights for just $24.99 and enjoy the convenience of setting up your tent with a perimeter of light around you or a strobe for better visibility. Make your camping experience hassle-free and well-lit with Stake Lights. Caveman Foldable Grill. Introducing Caveman, the revolutionary featherweight foldable camping grill that will transform your outdoor cooking experience. Say goodbye to bulky and heavy grills and embrace the convenience and portability of Caveman. Crafted with precision-cut, FDA-approved lightweight metal, Caveman consists of 5 pieces that seamlessly fit together to form a grill capable of feeding up to 8 people. In just 15 seconds, you can set up your grill and start cooking delicious meals, from juicy tomahawks to frozen hot dogs. The best part? Caveman folds to less than 1 by 2 inches thick and weighs under 2 pounds, making it the ultimate companion for backpackers and outdoor enthusiasts. For those who desire a larger version, we offer a grill that can cook up to 8 full-sized burgers and some hot dogs. weighing under 6 pounds and fitting into the tightest spots of your RV. Choose between a beautifully designed grate or an optional flat-top grill, allowing you to cook steak, eggs, or even both simultaneously. Adjust the grate to different levels for searing or low and slow barbecue without hassle. Caveman's thoughtful design makes cooking with skewers a breeze, thanks to incorporated skewer slots that allow you to add up to 3 extra long skewers at a time. No need to worry about fuel type. Caveman accommodates coal, wood chips, pellets, and sticks found on the ground, working great with all fuel types at any temperature. Safety is paramount, and the aerodynamic legs ensure proper airflow and prevent heat transfer to the bottom, eliminating the risk of accidental fires or surface damage. With a price tag of $149, the Caveman comes from the inventor of Grill Rescue, the world's safest grill brush, known for raising over $210,000 through Kickstarter and Indiegogo campaigns. Crua Modus. Introducing Crua Modus, the ultimate 6-in-1 camping system, is revolutionizing your outdoor experience. The Modus is a 10 at its core, but it's so much more. Developed by your favorite outdoor Kickstarters, it combines a tent, integrated quilt, self-inflating mattress, bug mesh, fly sheet, picnic blanket, and even a hammock. The Modus base integrates a self-inflating air mattress, pillow, and zip-on quilt, providing exceptional comfort and insulation. The bug mesh attaches seamlessly to protect you from insects, and adding the Crua fly sheet makes it waterproof and thermally regulated, reflecting heat during hot weather and retaining warmth in colder temperatures. The innovative fly sheet can quickly transform into a hammock, offering relaxation and a cocoon-like experience. The quilt doubles as a cozy picnic blanket with soft and waterproof sides, perfect for outdoor lounging. With additional porch poles, you can create a covered porch, and by connecting 2 Modus bases, you can expand it into a shared outdoor lounge space, offering a bona fide Ford experience for socializing or sheltering from the elements. Priced at just $199, that you get a versatile, adaptable, and multifunctional camping system that elevates your outdoor adventures to a new level. Seago Charger. Introducing the Seago Charger, the world's first origami-inspired travel solar charger, designed for adventurers, off-grinders, and those always on the go. This sustainable and space-efficient power source is inspired by deployable space arrays, offering optimal performance, durability, and portability. Drawing from origami's folding techniques, the Seago Charger features a patent-pending compact and space-efficient design with synchronized panels for photovoltaic applications. Inspired by NASA's deployable space-based solar arrays, this charger rethinks solar power for Earth-based applications. Equipped with SunPower solar cells, the Seago Charger ensures efficiency, durability, and consistent power output even in shading conditions. Its sturdy joints maintain stability, allowing the charger to fold and unfold smoothly and effortlessly. The ETFI protective laminate enhances energy generation, durability, and self-cleaning properties. With an integrated power charger, multiple charging ports, and smart magnets, using and setting up the Seago Charger is convenient and hassle-free. Manufacturing the Seago Charger requires pioneering solar fabrication processes, making it a cutting-edge product. Despite potential challenges like manufacturing delays and supply chain interruptions, the team is committed to delivering a high-quality product and keeping backers well informed. With the price of $289, experience the freedom and independence of solar power on your adventures.